What's up, it's your boy Gang coming with a video on how to check what bulbs your headlights uses. So quick fun fact, I've been in the auto industry for a couple of years. I was a BMW mechanic for 7. I've been doing automotive photography for close to 15, but I didn't know this tip. So last week, Sean, another guy that's a part of the Street and Track Chronicles, was over and he was like, you need to change your headlights out to LEDs. And I was like, yeah, but I don't know what bulbs they use. And he's like, just look on the headlight. And I'm like, you mean look at the headlight? So then he showed me. I'm about to show you guys. So I did 3 cars that are in my driveway, 3 different makes, 3 different years, and I'm gonna show you guys what to look for. It's quick, it's easy, so just stay tuned, take a look. First up, we have a 2007 Toyota Camry. Uses H11 and HB3. One is going to be a regular headlight bulb and the other one is going to be a high beam headlight bulb. Next up, we have a 2018 QX60. It uses D2S, which I believe is a high beam xenon headlight bulb. Last and definitely least, you have my 2015 WRX. It uses H11 as well as HB3. Now, I'm not sure if these are common amongst most makes or not that are non-xenon, because I know the xenon headlight bulbs are different. That's something you guys would have to research, and you can let me know in the comments. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Check us out on Instagram, Street and Track Chronicles, and stay tuned for a whole bunch more.